Thank you!
Thank you po.
Kailan nag-start?
August 5, tapos 12 to 2 yung pasok.
Yes!
Wala naman po orientation na, no? Diretso pasok na kayo.
May orientation po. Nag-ano po ng orientation. Depende ano nagbibigay po. Cluster po kasi. May barangay.
Saan po kaya mga
Ano
update?
yung nanay? Yan na lang po.
Contact number.
So yung hotel yan. Ayun. Yan ko na lang.
Ah, sige. Ayun.
Tara na na.
Okay, let's go. Thank you, everyone. Yes, and then we will be back once you have your uniform. Okay? We will buy a uniform. Come, let's buy a uniform. It's not a uniform. That's just a normal dress.
This is your uniform, baby.
This one, oh, it looks like this, so we will buy one like that.
And then your shoes. We will buy your shoes.
Okay? Your socks. Socks and shoes. Let's go buy. Say goodbye, everyone. Say thank you. Bye. Thank you po. August po. Salamat. Two. Thank you. Yay! Are you happy? Oo. Oo, totoo yan. Naka-aircon naman. Yay! Baby, say goodbye everyone. Thank you. Ha? Ah, pasok siya. Ayos, feeding program man ako. Oo nga, ganun din ako nung bata ako eh. Champurado, sopas. Bye everyone! Akio, congratulations! You're now going to school officially.
White lens yan, Daddy.
Oh, pati ako kita. Hello everyone! Thank you!
Daddy, nasa yung phone mo.
Say thank you everyone! Bye! We're going to buy Akio's uniform. Bye!
Sabi din na, tinatanong siya, how old are you? Siguro sasabi niya turning 4, sinabi niya 24.